Today we're going to learn how to use the hollow text effect in Canva. Let's get started. As you can see, we've got Canva open. We're on the desktop version. This will work in the app as well. So all we need to do is click on our text, go to effects, and this time we're going to have a look at hollow. Now with hollow, basically it takes all the inside out and just leaves us with this outside part. We can adjust the thickness, so we can make it really thick, we can make it thinner, and just to show you what I mean, because it's a bit hard to tell on the white. Let's change it to, we could do blue, and then we can change the text to white. And as you can see, it's just the outline. Basically, it's the outline of the text, or hollow text, basically. Okay, so you can change the thickness, you can make it thicker. If you want to make it thicker and, it's a bit close together. See where up here it says spacing? We can space out the letters. So that allows us to make it a bit thicker without it all running into each other. Now this also, have a play with it, because what happens if you use a cursive font? So more of a decorative font. See how it's really hard to see? And this is when you'd need to really reduce the thickness and decide whether you like it like that. Now, as you can see, these letters are overlapping. So what we have to do is space them out until they are just touching. But the problem with this is because it's all hollow and there are bits that, overlap, it doesn't really look as nice. But of course, it's all personal preference and you can have a play around with it. One thing I do like about this is if you were to use a thicker font, for example, like the shine like this, you can have it over the top of, decorative photos like this. And if you thicken it up, it also looks good when you mix it up with a bunch of different text effects. So this one is the hollow text effect, this one is the splice text effect, which we're going to talk about in the next video, and this one is the drop shadow text effect that we talked about in a previous video. It's all about personal preference and what you like and what suits your brand. So have play with it, see what you can design, and I will see you in the next video.